Hello guys, this is Asad. In today's video, we'll learn about load balancer. Basically, there are three types of load balancer in AWS: classic, application, and network load balancer. Today, we'll be focusing on classic load balancer. So, load balancer is generally used for managing traffic in the server. In classic load balancer, the content always remains the same, but the server changes. Classic load balancer works in round-robin manner. So let us dive into the practicality. So we need to create two instances to showcase that load balance is taking place. The first one, in the first server, will be writing the message as this is server A, and the second one would be writing as second this is server B, to know that the load balancer is properly working. So let's create the first instance. Select any of the free AMIs, configure an instance detail, and over here we need to write the bash script, which I already have. So in this first one, I will be displaying this message, this is my server A, so that and in the second one I will be displaying this one, this is my server B, so that we will get to know that load balancer is working with the same DNS name. Paste over here. Add storage. We don't need any storage. Configure security. We can create a new security group, or we can select an existing one, which shall be having inbound rules like port 80 HTTP. So let us create a new security group, adding HTTP over here. We will launch. You can create a new key pair, or you can use your existing one. I will use my existing one. Instance. Similarly, we have to launch another instance with which will be displaying the message that this is server B. Till it is getting running and the status checks gets to 2 by 2, we'll create another one. The same steps, just need to copy the code. This is server B. And add storage. X, no need to require. We can add the new one. We can add the existing one, or we can go with this. Selecting existing one, shall create. So the right now which I had created earlier, at launch version 14, will be using that one only. We'll launch. Can create the same process. Just the changes was only over that bash script. Just displaying different thing. View instance. We'll wait till these instant states gets to running and the status changes to 2 by 2. So let me write this as my server A, so that we don't get confused. And this to be server B. We have an IP address over here, So we can check whether things we require is working or not over here. So this is my server A. This is my server B. We have two different addresses showing different messages. So we need to create one single DNS name which will be addressing those two after one by one. So let us create a load balancer right now. Go for load balancer. Create load balancer. Create. You can give your name to your load balancer. Look, CLB classic load balancer. I'm giving it. And assign secret group. The one which I had created, I can give that. We'll go for configure security settings, configure health checks. So the ping portal will be HTTP and the ping path will be /index HTML. You don't need to change over here. Add E0 instance. We'll be adding both of the instance. We don't require any tags. Create, review, and create. Been created. Close that. So here we can see that our load balancer has been created. So let's check the instance. You can see over here, server A and server B are in service. So let us check whether it is working properly or not. So copy the DNS name and paste it. So you can see this is server A and we have the same DNS name, just I need to reload it and it will be showing server B. So this how means here we can see that with same DNS name we are having two different pages loaded, two different server. This is server A and after reloading you can see this is server B. We have no changes in DNS name. This is how the load balancer, classic load balancer works. We will be having same content in this DNS name. After reloading it or by round robin method, it would be changing its server. So hope you guys understood this classic load balancer practical. So in the next video I'll be working on application load balancer. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe if you are new to my channel.